Need cash fast and wondering if Apple Pay can be your lender? Let's get straight to the point. Apple Pay itself doesn't directly offer loans. It's a digital wallet, not a bank. But don't lose hope just yet. If you have an Apple Card, you can use your available credit for purchases, essentially acting as a short-term loan that you pay back over time. To check your Apple Card credit limit, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple Card, and you'll see your balance, available credit, and payment options. Another option, explore third-party loan providers that are compatible with Apple Pay for repayments. Many services like Affirm or Klarna let you finance purchases and then easily pay them back using Apple Pay. When checking out online, look for the Apple Pay button if available. You can use it to pay off your loan installments with participating lenders. So, while Apple Pay isn't a direct lender, it can be part of your borrowing solution. Use your Apple Card wisely or explore third-party lenders that integrate with Apple Pay for convenient repayments. Good luck.